Here we divide 228 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 2 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down the number beside this 8 and we remove this 0. And 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 0. So 228 divided by 2 we get 140. So this much for today and thanks for watching.